back to my channel. If you are new here, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. So today we have a slightly different episode. Today we're going to have a quick recap of my family's trip to Senegal and Gambia to visit my parents. It was such a fantastic trip. We ate all different types of food, we fed monkeys, and we did boat rides. It was just a great trip. We're a little late bringing it to you, but I think you will really enjoy seeing how our trip turned out. Well, that's enough of me talking. I hope you enjoy.
I'm a fool for trusting in these wings. But maybe, baby, this what flying feels like. 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 Cause I can't fall asleep at night without seeing my dreams. Delusion and reality, I'm somewhere in between. These voices in my head get loud and they keep telling me that I'm a fool for trusting in these wings. But maybe, baby, this what flying feels like.
Where you have the cassava with the tomatoes and beans, half cooked, and then we mix with rice. Then the mixed vegetable sauce, onion, carrot, this is garlic, and you have the green onion also with black pepper.